Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. So right here, I'm working with RSG and we are installing new irrigation on these new construction houses. You can see it's a brand new site. Haven't even built all the houses yet. Look at the Blue Ridge Mountains in the background. Ain't that pretty? So right now we're working on getting all our trenches installed. Makes it easy when you have an MT55 at the trencher, but we still have to dig out for things like this is where a valve box is going to go right here, and when you have T's and joints and everything else, you kind of have to pick up what the trencher left behind. Also, we have this thing called a sleeve. You can see it right in there. That's a sleeve, and that goes underneath the driveway, and we can run irrigation pipe to the other side. Since there's going to be multiple zones around the house. I don't know, I think they were talking like 8 zones total. So both rotors and heads, spray heads. So just have to see. But they've got flooring guys and they're working on that right now. This is where the porch is going to be. Apparently we're supposed to hook up the controller right here along next to the porch. But this is literally the first day we are on site, guys, and this is pretty cool. I've never got to install an irrigation system before. If you guys saw the earlier video when I was working in Charlottesville at the football field, that was different too, because I was coming in and working on an existing site. But this is a brand new site. This is the first day that we're here. We came in, marked some things out, and then we started trenching. So yeah, this is so cool. Never done irrigation installation. It's always been irrigation repair. So things I've learned so far: mark twice, dig once. Also get really friendly with your trenching shovels. So you have a typical round point, like right here. A trenching shovel is exactly what it sounds like. It's a really thin shovel that you can use to fit in the bed of the trench. So there's different sizes for these. So we have this size here. This blue size over here is actually a little bit smaller, but you have to get real friendly with your trenching shovels if you're doing this kind of work. So but yeah, this is a really cool machine. Definitely, if you're doing any kind of residential home landscape installations, this would be a very useful tool to have, because you can put like a trencher on it, you can put buckets, forks, landscape rakes, things like that. But I'm going to go ahead and get back to work and set up the GoPro and show you guys some action. So let's get right to it. give me the camera, hold it. Gracias, amigo.
Joe actually working. Look at this.
This is Jacob over here. He's done irrigation for 2 years. But he's been hardscaping for a lot longer. He really is a smart individual and knows a lot. Robert's been doing this a while too. And well, you've already seen Maestro. He's the Maestro. Alright guys, that's it. Headed out. The only thing really left to do is they've got to hook up the controllers next to the house and do all the wiring on all the valves. And then they got to put the heads in. And the heads go, they tie into these guys right here. So that's where all the heads are going to be. And everything's flagged. So that's a good thing because they still got to grade this. So well, at least pretty much everything is in that we can do. So guys are putting the pipe back on the pipe truck. But yeah guys, so I'm out of here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back to this site next week or not. We'll have to see, but if I am, I'll be sure to show you guys all the wiring and all the control boxes. But if not, if you guys have any questions, let me know and I'll see if I can get back on another job and do something like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.